Welcome to Home Pantry Pro, and today we're diving deep into the Nuwave Lux 13-piece Premium Cookware Collection. This set promises next-generation non-stick technology, durability, and versatility, all wrapped up in a premium package. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the craftsmanship. Nuwave claims these pieces are designed to be both strong and lightweight, and after spending some time with them, I can attest to that. They feel solid enough to handle daily use and a variety of cooking tasks, yet they're not so heavy that they become a chore to move around. This balance is crucial for everyday cooking, and it contributes to a feeling of premium quality. The aesthetic is sleek and modern, fitting well into most kitchen designs. The star of the show here is undoubtedly the next-gen G11 Duralon Blue ceramic non-stick coating. Nuwave highlights that this is their most advanced surface yet, and it's designed to deliver exceptional food release. What's particularly important to many consumers, myself included, is that this coating is completely free from PFAS, lead, and cadmium. This means a healthier cooking experience without the worry of harmful chemicals or toxic fumes, even when cooking at higher temperatures. Nuwave also explicitly states that the G11 coating outperforms their previous G10 generation, and they've engineered it to be tougher and longer lasting. This is a bold claim, and durability is something we all look for in cookware. They emphasize enhanced abrasion resistance, scratch protection, and heat endurance. Over time, many non-stick surfaces degrade, leading to sticking and frustration. Nuwave aims to combat this with the G11, promising that its superior non-stick performance will be maintained meal after meal, year after year. This is definitely something I'll be putting to the test with prolonged use. Beyond the non-stick surface, consistent heat performance is a cornerstone of good cookware, and the Nuwave Lux collection addresses this with its forged base. This design is intended to heat rapidly and distribute heat evenly across the cooking surface. The elimination of hot spots and cold zones is critical for achieving consistent cooking results. When your pan heats evenly, you can trust that your food will cook uniformly, leading to more predictable and enjoyable meals. Another interesting feature is the flavor-locking lid design. These are precision-engineered metal lids, and they incorporate built-in flavor channels. The idea here is that these channels redistribute steam and moisture back onto your food, acting like a natural self-basting system. This can help to intensify flavors, retain nutrients, and keep your meals juicy and delicious. I'm always keen to see how these subtle design elements translate into actual cooking performance. Versatility is a major selling point for any cookware set, and the Nuwave Lux collection is designed to be compatible with all cooktops, including gas, electric, ceramic, and induction. This is fantastic for households that might use a variety of heating methods or plan to upgrade their cooktop in the future. Furthermore, every piece, including the premium metal lids, is oven-safe up to a very respectable 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a world of possibilities, from finishing off a dish in the oven to baking bread or roasting meats. Finally, for peace of mind, Nuwave backs this 13-piece collection with a 1-year limited warranty. While it's not a lifetime warranty, it does provide a level of assurance that the manufacturer stands behind their product for at least the first year. Now, let's break down the pros and cons based on these details. On the pros side, the G11 Duralon Blue coating is a significant draw, especially its PFAS-free composition, which is a major health and safety consideration for many. The promise of enhanced durability and scratch resistance is also highly appealing. The even heat distribution and the flavor-locking lids are thoughtful additions that aim to improve the cooking experience. The broad compatibility with all cooktops and the high oven-safe temperature add considerable versatility. The lightweight yet strong construction makes this set practical for everyday use. For potential cons, while the 1-year warranty offers some assurance, it's on the shorter side compared to some premium cookware brands that offer lifetime warranties. Long-term durability of the non-stick coating, though claimed to be superior, will always be the ultimate test, and only extended use will truly reveal its longevity. The premium craftsmanship is subjective, and while it feels good, how it compares to truly high-end professional cookware is another question. In conclusion, The Nuwave Lux 13-piece Premium Cookware Collection appears to be a well-thought-out set that prioritizes health, durability, and versatility. The G11 Duralon Blue non-stick coating is its standout feature, and the comprehensive design elements like even heat distribution and self-basting lid suggest it's built for performance. If you're looking for a stylish, practical, and healthier non-stick cookware option that can handle a wide range of cooking tasks, this collection is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.